Hi, I'm Tracy Wynn.
And I'm Matt Wynn.
We are Winning Home Improvements. Welcome to the Mount Cotton project. Come on in and have a look. So originally, we had a very tiny kitchen pushed all the way at the back of this room. This is a big open plan living. And straight away I knew that we'd be able to reconfigure some walls and include a new butler's pantry, new beautiful island bench, and give this couple a very functional family kitchen. So to recreate this kitchen, we have pulled it into the room and we have included a new wall. This allowed us to build these beautiful open shelves. And gosh, check out the color in this splashback. It's this beautiful sage, gorgeous tile. And then we have done an integrated range hood and done that with a VJ finish. How gorgeous is this space? Open plan, easy to work with, and very functional. Who would not want two ovens? And we've made them the height so it's easy to work with. And come on down here and check out this beautiful, gorgeous butler's pantry. Oh my gosh, it's got a wine rack, it's got a spare fridge, and it's got open shelving for all your pantry needs.
At Winning Home Improvements, we try to look at the practical things. This room was very, very dark, so we incorporated the skylight. There was a few aspects in that skylight that made it a little bit difficult. With the solar had to be moved and the roof truss, distance between the roof truss, but we overcome and it looks great. Guys, come and have a look at the fireplace that we put in. So originally we had two openings on this wall and we've enclosed them both and had a single new hamper put in. Put a new fireplace in and it's electric, and we've just chosen these stone-like looking tiles. They come up amazing. Over in the corner here we've gone and installed some custom cabinetry by the owner's request.
So one of the things I love to help our clients when we're doing our renovations is to come up with the right look and feel in all their furniture. So Amy and Matt approached me to help them work out what they needed to include in the new dining table, chairs, we've got coffee tables and lounges. And here gives them a complete finished look to their renovation. Everywhere in this home we have included new lighting. Now we have done this gorgeous matte black finishes in the home, and you'll see that in the living room, the entry, the dining, and some extruding downlights over the kitchen area. They are beautiful with the contrast against the white. So here in the kitchen, we were able to incorporate a bench seat. Now the reason why in design I have included this is because we were starting to encroach into the living room a little bit too much. So having this bench seat here at the back side of this beautiful island bench now allows the table to sit in front and kept everything to this side of the room. How gorgeous is this print? It is a botanical grey print, custom seating, and it just finishes off the kitchen beautifully. Welcome to the new main bathroom. Now we reconfigured the space to be able to fit a beautiful double vanity. We've got the solid surface basins in round, and we've got the shaker style coming into the bathrooms as well. We reconfigured so that we could do a shower and a bath in a wet room space. And what I love in here, check these out. The tapware has a warm brush chrome to it, new on the market, so it's not so cold. And the tile in here is called a Nougat Terrazzo. Absolutely gorgeous. And it works with the warmth in these, just gorgeous. Some of the features that we included in this beautiful Mount Cotton project was VJ. Now we have included that in the kitchen over the range hood, and all of these vinyl sliders have been upgraded as well. So come on down, you'll see that all has gone into each of the new doors in the home too. That brings a continuity in the design, and that's what I love about doing renovation. So the master suite had a brand new fresh paint, all new doors in the VJ, and we have also upgraded the fan. Now, one thing that changed in this room was to be able to get a barn door on the ensuite. We've had to swap the profile of the walk-in robe. So that was achieved to be able to include that barn door. So come on in and have a look at this beautiful ensuite walk-in shower, just gorgeous. Traditionally in here, in this bathroom, there was a corner shower, and then we have been able to remove that, reconfigure the flooring and have this beautiful walk-in shower environment. We've included a niche for the practical side and also an additional double basin with a gorgeous white arched mirror to set it off. Originally, this home had terracotta tiles. Who hasn't got those? But we've removed every single one of them and included vinyl floors. That's gone from the front door all the way to the back in every single bedroom. Have a look at that beautiful vinyl all the way down the hallway. Gorgeous oak finish,